This is the demonstration for the box device for the pet collar product. So for this prototype, here we have the option button for range and volume. We have the increasing button and the decreasing button. Same for range, increase, decrease. This would turn our signal on, this would turn our signal off. So here we're turning on the signal, and if we open up the signal for the Ant device, clearly you'll see a broadcast being sent through both this broadcast basically means that the slave and the master are communicating. So for purposes of this simulation, all we can really do is manually send an acknowledgement message. However, if the slave was or if we had the collar device, then that prototype would essentially wait after 15 seconds of communicating and then send out this acknowledgement message. So to show that, our device is clearly going off, alarm. Turn on the signal again. Send acknowledge. Thank you.